Good morning to all. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Dr. RS Mathematics and Geography classes. My YouTube channel is cover all classes of mathematics and geography EVS for the competitive exams and UGC NET and UPSC higher educations. So if you preparation any competitive exam, yeah, study of 9th, 10th, 12th, BSc, Polytechnic Diploma, BTech and MBA. For the board UP, ICSC, CBSC and other technical classes. So you are joined my YouTube channel and complete your syllabus. We are discuss the nth derivative. Topic of this nth derivative. How to find the nth derivative of the given function. In this series, we are discuss the more questions in previous lectures, previous classes, and that this is the last question of nth derivative of this classes. If you not see my the previous video, so please I request you see my the previous video for the nth derivative. After then you watch this video for the better understanding. More types and many types of question we are discussed my previous video. If you taking the online live classes for the class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, UP, CBSE and ICSE board and BSc, BTech and Polytechnic Diploma classes, you are write my the WhatsApp number. You are note my the WhatsApp number 9719163762 and complete your syllabus for the minimum fees and daily live classes for the 1 hours 2 hours and that. So this is my the WhatsApp number. You are write the class name and subject. Okay, now let us start in this video. So if y equal to tan inverse 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, then prove that yn equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 sine to the power n theta or sine to the power sine of n theta. Now we are solve of this question. Y equal to tan inverse 1 plus x over 1 minus of x. We are known about of this 1 equal to tan inverse of pi by 4. Okay, we are write the value of this 1 equal to tan inverse 4 this and x equal to tan of theta. Then write theta equal to tan inverse of x. Now let 1 equal to tan inverse pi by 4. Tan inverse pi by 4, it means pi by 4 is value also 1 and x equal to tan theta, then theta equal to tan inverse of x. Write the value of this y equal to tan inverse of pi by 4 plus here write the value of this 1 equal to tan of pi by 4. Tan inverse tan of pi by 4 plus x equal to tan of theta upon 1 minus value of this tan pi by 4 or tan of theta. Okay, the value of the tan pi by 4 1 and x equal to tan theta 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan theta, x के place पे tan theta and tan pi by 4 is also 1, so multiply of this value of this. We are known about of this tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a of tan b. This is the formula of form of this tan inverse tan pi by 4 tan theta 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan of theta. So we write y equal to tan inverse tan of pi by 4 plus of theta. You write the value of this tan a plus b in place of a, pi by 4 in place of b is theta. So tan pi by 4 plus of theta in form of this. So you are cancel out of this 10 and 10. So imply that y equal to pi by 4 plus of theta. Understand all of you? Okay, y equal to pi by 4 plus of theta. I again repeat of this question. Y equal to tan inverse 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. We write the place of 1 tan pi by 4 and place of x equal to tan of theta. X equal to tan of theta and theta equal to tan inverse of x. Write the value of this one, tan pi by 4 tan theta, 1 minus pi by 4 tan of theta. Tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. So you are right, the place of a is pi by 4 and place of b is theta. Write the value of this, tan inverse and this is cancel out, y equal to tan of this, you know about of this, tan inverse tan of theta equal to value of theta. So tan and cancel pi by 4 plus of theta. Understand all of you? Please make a note. Now value of this, y equal to pi by 4 plus place of theta tan inverse of x. Theta equal to tan inverse of x. Now differentiating y1 0 1 upon 1 plus of x square. Then y1 upon x square plus 1. This question similar question we are discussed in previous video. First time differentiation 1 upon x square plus 1. After then we are factorize of this with the complex numbers. So now write y1 equal to 1 upon x plus I and x minus of I. So y1 equal to 1 upon 2I x 1 upon x minus I minus 1 upon x plus of I by partial fraction. Okay, similar question we are discussed in previous video. If you not my see by the previous video, so I am again request you see by the previous video. 1 upon 2i 1 upon x minus I 1 upon x plus of I. Now y1 equal to 1 upon 2i value of this x minus I to the power minus 1 minus x plus I to the power of minus 1. Now differentiate of this y2 1 upon 2i minus 1 or x minus I to the power minus 2 minus minus of 1 x plus I to the power minus of 2. Again we are differentiate of this. So y of 3 1 upon 2i value of this minus 1 and minus 2 x minus I to the power minus 3 minus minus 1 minus 2 x plus I to the power minus 3. Okay, differentiate of this function 3 times, yeah, more than 3 times, this is your choice. Now we are change of this question in some similarity. So now write of this question y3 equal to 1 upon 2i minus 1 to the whole square 2 into 1 upon x minus of I to the power 3 minus 1 to the whole square or 2 into 1 divided by x plus I to the power of 3. We are right y3 equal to 1 upon 2i of this minus 1 to the power 2 value 2 into 1 factorial 2 divided by x minus I to the power of 3 minus 1 to the whole square factorial of 2 or x plus I to the power of 3 and so on. You are right the nth derivative of this. So y of n 1 upon 2i 3 time differentiation minus 1 to the power 2 जब n time differentiation minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial to 3 तो factorial n minus 1 divide x minus I 3 time differentiation power is 3 then n time differentiation power is n. Similar process in second term minus 1 to the square factorial n minus 1 n minus 1 upon x plus I to the power of n. Understand all of you? Now we are change of this. Now let x equal to r cos theta and coefficient of I 1 equal to r sin of theta. We are putting in place of this. Okay, similar question. It means we can say that same question we are discussing previous video. So you are see my the previous video. After then you are solve this self. Now we are discussing next step. So understand all of you, and if you any doubt, now value of this yn equal to minus 1 to the power n factorial n minus 1 divided by 2 of I. Value of this taking out of the numerator x minus I to the power minus n minus x plus I to the power minus of n. Putting the value of x minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 2 of I x r cos theta minus I r sin of theta value of minus of n minus again r cos theta plus I r sin of theta power of minus n. Taking out of this minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 2 of I r to the power minus n cos theta minus I sin of theta whole power minus n minus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus of n. By the De Moivre theorem, we are known about the De Moivre theorem के power of this multiply with the angle. So now minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 2i value of this r to the power of this n cos of minus n theta minus I sin minus of n theta minus cos of minus n theta or minus I sin minus of n theta. Okay, minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 2i r to the power n. This is cos n theta minus out of this plus I sin n of theta. Similar process cos n theta plus I sin n of theta cancel out of this. So now we are known about of this. yn equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 upon 2i r to the power of n. 2i sin of n theta cancel out of this. Imply that minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 upon r to the power n sin n of theta. Again you are find the value of r. X equal to r cos theta and 1 equal to r sin theta. Similar process r equal to 1 upon sin of theta. You are putting the value of r in place of this. So y of n minus 1 to the power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 cancel out of this 1 upon sin of theta whole to the power n. Okay, and sin of n theta. You are taking out the value of this minus 1 to the power n factorial n minus n. You automatically go out in numerator n of theta or sin of n of theta. Okay, this is the proof of this questions. N minus 1, sorry, n minus 1 of 1. Understand all of you? This is the given answer of this questions. Okay, understand all of you? Any doubt of this question? So please make a note. And I am again request you, if you new viewer my YouTube channel, so like, share and subscribe my channel. If you any doubt, you are write by the comment box. Thanks for watching the complete video.